Now children, here we will see balance of trade. That means which are the conditions which leads to unfavorable balance of trade, favorable balance of trade, and what is balanced trade. So it is very important that any country which want to achieve economic development and all round development, that country should be very good in trading. Understood? So how any country can achieve balance of trade, and when is the condition when there is unfavorable balance of trade, favorable balance of trade, and balanced trade. So take out page number 70, left side we can see balance of trade. Understood? So see the paragraph. The difference between the import and export values of a country in a specific period is called balance of trade. So underline this definition. The difference between import and export values of a country in a specific period is called balance of trade. Following are the types of balance of trade. So here we will see that what are different types of balance of trade. So any country, balance of trade means we can say it is a balance sheet of any country about trading. Understood? So any country in a particular year, how much import is there, how much export is there, and total calculation difference between these two is known as balance of trade. Understood? So first we will see when there is unfavorable balance of trade, when the value of import is more than the value of exports. It is called unfavorable balance of trade. So children, when we are doing more imports, then it is unfavorable, because we are purchasing goods from other countries. So naturally we are supposed to pay in money. So here we are importing. So that is not good sign of trading. That is unfavorable balance of trade. That is import is more. Imports are greater than. So you can see the seesaw type, the figure 9.3. It is very clearly given. You can understood here that figure 9.3 A, figure A, import is going down and import is heavy. You can see 4 squares are given and export is very less. Understood? So here import is much more than export. So this is unfavorable balance of trade. Now next you can see when the value of export is more than the value of imports, it is called favorable balance of trade. So here export is more. Understood? So here favorable balance of trade is there. So here we are exporting more, we are earning more money. Understood? When we are selling more things, so we get more money. So here we are exporting more goods because we are having excess production, excess goods or services. So that condition is favorable balance of trade. Now next you can see balanced trade. When is the condition of balanced trade? When the value of export and import is almost the same. It is called balance of trade. Understood? Here we can see total balance of import and export. Understood? So this is balance of trade. This is very important from the examination point of view. All these figures are to be drawn in your copies. Understood? So when the question will be there, explain balance of trade, you are supposed to draw all these 3 figures along the explanation of this balance of trade. Understood?